It's really the wall for me. It's the wall for me. It is. Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Back with another a DIY. And I decided to, be a little artsy, craftsy, if that's a word. But I decided to, do some arts and crafts. I wanted a flower wall for a while, but baby, they're expensive. So I thought, Des, why not make your own? So here we are. My lovely flower wall, created by me. And if you want to see how this lovely flower wall was created, stay tuned. Hey y'all, so for this project, I used white foam boards, artificial flowers, a hot glue gun, glue sticks, tape, and lots of freaking coffee filters. So for starters, you'll lay your white foam boards on a flat surface to begin taping. I don't know why this gave me such a hard time, but the struggle was real. I could not get these boards together for nothing, and I had tape everywhere. Hold on, y'all. So now that we have our white foam boards taped together, took forever, we'll begin making our flower out of the coffee filters to place on the board. So you'll take about 3 to 4 coffee filters and you'll fold them in half, and you'll crease them and you'll fold it again and again until you have a small fan. So once you have that fan, you'll unfold the coffee filters and you can kind of ball them up to give it that flower effect. So now it's time to lay our flowers. So I'm going to start gluing straight across the top, and I'm going to repeat that step until I have that section full. So again, you'll take 3 to 4 coffee filters and you'll fold them in half and you'll crease them and you'll fold them again and again till you have a small fan. Once you have that fan, you'll unfold it and you'll ball it to give it that flower effect. Unball it, put your finger in the center, twist, and they'll probably come undone, but that's fine. It just makes it look more like a flower. Okay, y'all, so I had to take a break, but now we're back with day 2 of this very lengthy project. And I'm sure you noticed by now, but yes, I changed my nail color because sis nails were toe up from the flow up, okay? So don't judge me. And depending on what kind of time you have, this project can actually be done in maybe 2 days. But sis was on the go, so you know what? We just gonna keep laying these flowers. And I just want to let y'all know, when they said hot glue, they meant that. Because I burned myself so many freaking times. Oh my God. And it hurts like hell. So this is day 3, and as you can see, I'm just about done with the second section. But we still have a long way to go, so you know what? We're just gonna keep laying these flowers. Finally finished the second section. Now I feel like I'm getting somewhere. So now we'll start laying the flowers on the third section. And yeah, this will take a while. And I had time today, decided to get a little festive. I know y'all see my decorations back there. Don't try to act like y'all don't see them, because your girl did her thing. finally finishing the flower wall, laying the last freaking coffee filter. This has been a time. Y'all burned myself so many freaking times. My God. But the filters are on. And now it's time to pluck the flowers to glue on the flower board. Pluck, pluck, don't stop. Pluck, pluck, don't stop. But yeah, we're gonna pluck these flowers and a bunch more. So yeah. So I went ahead and plucked all the flowers and laid them across the top of the board to make it easier to just pick up and glue the flowers back down. And the burn continues. Y'all, I burned myself so many freaking times with this glue. I had to get a glass of wine to help ease the pain, cause baby. And I also decided to add some leaves in between each flower to make it look a tad bit more real. And it actually turned out really good. So now I decided to go through each flower to make sure that it was stuck to the wall before lifting it. And now we have a finished flower wall. Ta-da! And I tried to be fancy, so I added flowers to the bottom of my backdrop curtain. And I think it came out really nice. Like, it's really the details for me. And I also added orange flowers to give it that pop. And y'all, they did exactly what they needed to do.